We have a ton of plant-based recipes for the air fryer on our YouTube channel, but we also have some non-vegetarian recipes that are super yummy too. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen, and today we're going to walk through some of our favorite non-vegetarian recipes. First, we're going to go through our stuffed chicken with edamame, green goddess, feta, and garlic. Next is the Thai-style chicken wings with dipping sauce. And lastly, our 15-minute salmon and broccoli. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you're always notified for future videos. Let's talk about our stuffed chicken breasts with edamame, green goddess, feta, and garlic. I made this recipe, which is linked below, and it's great for crowds, the holidays. It's super delicious and so easy. All you need are chicken breasts, feta cheese, our edamame green goddess sauce, and garlic. It's super easy. You're pounding the chicken, you're stuffing it with our mixture of feta and green goddess, then throwing it in the air fryer until it's ready to go. Getting into our second recipe, which is our Thai-style chicken wings with dipping sauce. This recipe is perfect for a game day when you're having friends over, or just to make for yourself at home. All you do is toss the chicken wings with a little bit of oil, throw them in the air fryer, and then make your dipping sauce. It's that easy. Last but not least, we have our 15-minute salmon and broccoli. One of my favorite parts about this recipe is that it's super customizable, so you can swap the broccoli for a different veggie like asparagus or cauliflower. You can use a different type of fish or a different type of protein if you'd like, and you can also use a different sauce. In the recipe I made, I used our gingery miso sauce, and all I did was toss the fish with sauce, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and coated the veggies in oil. It was so fast and easy, and you can find that linked below. I love all these recipes because they're great for weeknights, they're so quick, they're so easy, and they're really, really delicious. If you make any of these recipes, make sure you comment below, tell me what your favorite is, I'd love to know. All these recipes are made with our wonderful sauces, which are made of 100% real ingredients. They're delicious. You can find them in the refrigerator at your local grocery store. Check out our store locator to find somewhere near you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen. Make sure you comment below if you have any questions, and as always, cook happy.